So hello YouTube. Today I'm here with some new stuff. I'm going to take my YouTube hobby seriously now for you guys. As I have seen many fresh YouTubers buying this stuff. So I thought I have been here on YouTube for years just for my passion and to spread knowledge. So I should have some mandatory stuff with me too. So that videos will be interesting for you and the main important parameters, the video quality and the audio quality should be better, should be best, I should say. So today I brought some essentials from market. So let us start with small thing. This is the local stand for the smartphone. I use it to make the base reaction video. You must have seen that public, how the public reacts to my car audio base. So in that case I use this as well as for small purposes inside in indoors for the product unboxing review. Okay, so this is the another one which I use generally while doing the unboxing of products because this comes handy and is built very well. So this is the another clamping tool on which I clamp my smartphone. Now these things should get the dedicated unboxing. So I will do the unboxing of both on them and also will give you demo how it performs. So stay tuned. So let's begin with the unboxing. I will keep this aside for now. This is Boya M1 original microphone. This is the best microphone, the collar microphone, the collar lavalier mic, whatever you call it, available in market from years. Okay, this is the best. So I will keep it aside. Now let's start it with the illumination. So what makes video interesting is the video and the audio quality, as I said before. Now I've seen plenty of ring lights available in market. Okay, plenty of. I stay in Pune, and Pune is metro city. You all know that. Here we have huge electronic hub market. Okay, so I went there and I got the demo of all the lights over there. But these Chinese products have made the market so worse that you can't trust anyone. Okay, so there were many rebranded stuff like anything you name it. Okay, so there is basically same light, everyone puts their name on it. That is the funda. Okay, so this is well known, very old and very renowned brand Digitech in the lighting as well as the mobile accessories. So before going into the market, I did little YouTube survey itself, and all the professional YouTubers helped me a lot to make the decision that this is the best value for money and genuine, long-lasting, sturdy product in case of illumination available in the market. And for sorry for the disturbance, you know it's Diwali, that's why the children are making noise. And this thing doesn't need any introduction so far. This is Boya BY M1 collar microphone. So let's keep it aside. Now let's do the unboxing of this ring light. Let me get the scissor. So these are the specifications. You can see the specification over here too. I hope now it's clear. So the main part here is flash index and output wattage. This is the branded product. Okay, So you will get the true specifications. All specifications are true, tested in their laboratory. This is not something like China rebranded stuff. This I got from offline market. As you know, I stay in Pune, and here we have the main distributor of Digitech company. That's ROE. I will send the GPS location as well as the contact details in the link below. They are the distributors, okay, for this brand and not the dealers. So you will get best price from them. This is how the packaging looks like. So why I got this 14C model, okay? This is 14C model. The purpose to bring this light was because this is the combo. You get, basically I make all my videos from the smartphone as I have good quality flagship smartphones, and so I'm happy with the performance of smartphone. I don't need DSLR. So here I am getting combo of the mobile tripod as well as the stand. I will use this indoor and I will use this for outdoors. You can see the quality. It's great quality, okay? Or else you can close it and hold your cell phone on top and shoot the video. So simple. Here is the rotating ball. You can see the build quality. The build quality is very good, okay? It's very durable product. See the smoothness. So this is how you lock it, the location. And the best part is, even if you by chance misplace or break any of the spare part from this whole assembly, you will get all the spare parts in the market. That is the best thing. This is the main mobile stand, which is flexible. This is of heavy duty metal. You will feel the difference when you will hold this stuff into your hands. You will feel the difference. Okay, this is not like the Chinese product, okay? This is the main ring light. You will get Digitech 14C marking over here. And trust me, the brightness of this light is way better than any light available in same category, same size. This is 12 inches model. If you measure it by tape, you will get the 12-inch length. I don't know why brand has said the 14 model number, but the actual length, if you measure by tape, is 12 inches. You can plug it in any device. Let me try with my power bank. I don't know whether power bank is charged or not. but let's try first. So this is my small Intex power bank I had. This is very old power bank. I don't know it will work or not. I think it's not working because the power bank is not charged. Now let's try with the this out. Okay. So now it's working. I connected it to my computer and it's working fine. So this is white color and this is off white, and this is combination of both, white off white, combination of both, warm white, whatever you call it. This is the lowest intensity. This is the highest intensity. Now let me turn off all the lights of the room so that you will get the idea. So now I have turned off all the lights and you can see how good this light is. Let me change the color of light. This is pure white. Sorry, this is pure white. This is yellow and this is combination of both. I like this one. This is most brightest and very natural light. Now let's open the stand. Sorry. Please see the stand closely. You will see the build quality is very good. Even though I won't recommend to use it outdoor in rough weather conditions, but it's far better than the other brands. Not brands, I will say, the other Chinese generic products available. So this is how you open it. It's completely foldable. So once you are done with the setting, you can lock this so that now this won't move. Let me open it to full length. You will feel the sturdiness while holding it. Other generic products are very flimsy. Buy the branded product once and use it for long term with peace of mind. That is my policy. So this is how full light looks like. I'll show you the clear view. It's used now. Okay. Here there is covering. Let's mount it. So I haven't connected the rotating ball. Once you connect the rotating ball, you can rotate the angle of this light anywhere you want. So this is the total height. You can see. Now let me turn it on. So this is how it looks. Right now I am in only this lighting. Okay, now let me change the color. This is pure white, this is off white, and this is combination of both. This is how you will see when the smartphone will be mounted. I will do one thing, I will mount the smartphone right away. So this is the smartphone mount. You just have to mount it over here. So guys, now the setup is completely ready. I have reduced down the assembling part so that otherwise video would go very lengthy. Let's turn it on. So this is how it looks. This is the mobile stand. This is the joint. So this is the ball which attachment I told you before. Now I connected all the attachments. Okay, this setup is complete. So this is the joint which I was talking about. So now you can tilt the angle as per your convenience, but I have kept it on full height. You can see that even though height of stick is 5 feet, but because of this ring light the height even increases furthermore. So you will get around 6 feet height with this if you buy this stand. Don't buy the stand of 9 feet height, it will go into the sky. It's useless. Okay, so now I will connect my cell phone to the same ring light, and the further video we will shoot for the unboxing of Boya. This video has been very lengthy. I will make the another video for the microphone unboxing. You can see how this light performs in that video. Please stay tuned, live loud. Thanks for watching.